என்னோட ஹஸ்பண்ட் எனக்கு வீடா ஊட்ட கிஃப்ட் பண்றாருன்னு தெரிஞ்ச உடனே நான் ரொம்பவே சந்தோஷப்பட்டேன். அந்த சந்தோஷத்துக்கு அளவே இல்லை.
I hadn't ridden for a few years and so I was a bit unsure. But VIDA's steady ride really gave me my confidence back. I'm an assistant professor and it has been a part of my life, from going to college to dropping my kid at school. Since we park outside, the removable battery makes it much easier. It wasn't available in other brands. As a woman, even small things like reverse parking make a big difference to my daily routine. The dealership guided us through everything during the purchase. We have been using Hero vehicles over 10 years and the trust has been already there. The VIDA e-scooter just fits in my life so easily.
இந்த வண்டியை நான் கண்டிப்பா ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணுவேன்.